kind of deal. Based on tune, up on tour with that. All our people that want to come and carry on things. Oh yeah, all you give me testimony, you see me? The heart of Brixton, you see me? The heart of the man. I come down one way, when I come down to Rasta, I jam a little back. I say, the last time I said, I bad man for chocolate. But I realize I have to deal with equal rights and justice. You see me? I love it. I love how poor people are. I see them. And the man is strong enough. And now, I don't want to weak heart in himself. You see me? What I'm Brixton told me, I tell you, quiet. I'm losing my fight. People are going like that. They run for you. But they don't run nothing. They have a job. That's it. But done with the work. When I work for CIA, I don't work for no government, I don't work for nobody. I just show me a contractor. Because I'm building my empire. Shit. You hear me? I stop that. You know I'm a fire. The whole of my follower there. You know I'm a fire. King. You see me? Because I defend the faith. I defend the 4 people. Shit. Anywhere I go, any money I give away. But I need money. I tell that straight. You know what I'm saying? You're not there with love, you know. Lion not cry. Lion deal with love, real love. See? Go on to the eye there. Straight. When I talk about badness or rare, when I tell everything correct, you can chase out there and crazy ball out of town. You hear that? When I come down, I let the youth there know. We chase out there and crazy ball out of town. What about themselves? See it? Run something. All time bad. The last year. They're on a low 5, right? You see me? They're on tour. I'm going to say, yo, taking my music, taking my ideology, taking my fights. Because you really see me? Them things I deal with. See it? Them people are not red. Run suffering. I love you, I live for you. I'm a rise up. I'm bona fide. Hotter than fire. Hotter than fire. Remember I tell you. You know I'm a fire. Music, you never refuse it because I'm the only one who build them music here. What I rate them, I give my music to the whole area town free. The whole of Jamaica free. And build poor people. This is my testimony. I'm going to start it. I just walk up on tour now. Out and back.